So our first query is the members and their last donation date. This query retrieves the last donation date for each member by joining the member and donation tables on member underscore ID. Grouping by the member's ID, first name, and last name, and using the max function to find the latest donation date. So after the query, this is the result which we have here: member underscore ID, member underscore first name, member underscore last name, and last underscore donation underscore date. This is our second report, which is by getting the total donations by each member. This query calculates the total amount donated by each member by joining the member and donation tables, grouping by the member's ID, first name and last name, and summing the donation amounts. We use the sum query here, sum operation. So again, after the query, this is the result, which we have here: member underscore ID. This is for the member's ID, member first name, member last name, and total donations. This is the total donations that we will get from our report.
In this portion, the total numbers of the total number of events each member attended. This query counts the total number of events each member attended by joining members and attendance tables, grouping by the member's ID and first name and last name, and counting the attendance records. Hmm. As you can see, this is the result of the total number of events each member who attended. This portion, the members who attended a specific event, this query finds the member who attended the Sunday service event by joining the member's attendance and events table and filtering by event's name. As you can see, this is the result to
members and their total donation for each donation type. This query calculates the total donation for each donation type by each member by joining the members and donation tables, grouping by the member's ID, first name, last name, and donation type, and summing the donation. And this is the result of members and total donation for each donation type. And the next one is the event with the highest attendance. This query retrieves the top 10 events with the highest attendance by selecting event details from the event table and ordering the result by the total attendance and descending order. And as you can see, this is the result of event with the highest attendance.
Members under the average donation amount. This query calculates the average donation amount for each member by joining the member and donation tables, grouping by member's ID, first name, and last name, and averaging the donation amount. And this is the result of the members and their average donation amount. The next one is members and their total attendance team. This query calculates the total attendance time for each member by joining the member and attendance tables, group, grouping by member's ID, first name, and last name, and summing the time differences between attendance times and midnight. And this is the result of members and their total attendance team.
Okay, so the next query that we are going to execute is the average donation amount by donation type. So this query will calculate the average donation amount for each donation type by grouping the donation table by donation type and averaging the donations amounts. So we are going to extract the information from the donation table. So the query select the donation type column and calculates are going to extract the information from donation table. So the query selects the donation type column and calculates the average donation amount using the average function on the donation amount column. So this calculation is analyzed as the average donation amount. So the results are grouped by the donation. So this query will help us to determine the average donation amount for each specific type of donation. So the query is select D that donation type, average D that donation amount as average underscore donation underscore amount. From the donation, D is grouped by D that donation underscore type. So this is the result. So as we can see that the donation type is visible and the average donation amount of each donation types. So the next query that we are going to execute is the events with total donation amount. So this query will calculate the total donation amount for each event by joining the event and donation tables on the event name, grouping by the event details, and summing up the donation amounts. So we are going to retrieve the data from both the event and donation tables. So the query will select the event ID, event name, and the location and date column from the event table, and it will calculate the total donation received for each event by summing up the donation amount column from donation table, which is aligned as total donations. So the join clause is used to connect the event table with the donation table based on the matching event name and donation event columns. So the results are then grouped by event ID, event name, event location, and event date. So this query provides the insight into each event's total donation amount received. So as we can see the results, the event name, location, and dates and with the total donations are all visible.